Hey guys, it's Kevin here from Boy Media, and today I want to go over an ad creative that I saw this week that was shared in our Facebook group, Facebook Ads Explosive Growth. I really want to play for you guys, and I want to show you guys why I like it. And if you guys are in the group, please just make sure to reach out to me, Kevin at Boy Media, or contact us on our website, and we can invite you to the group as well. And just for anybody watching or listening right now, we are hiring here at Boy Media. If you're interested in applying for us, just email me, Kevin at Boy Media. But let's go into the ad that I really liked, and I'll explain to you guys why I like it. This is an ad that's the one shared in our group. This was shared by Tiago Lima. Thanks for sharing it if you're watching. This ad has a bunch of stuff in here that I really love, and I'll play it and then I'll sort of show you guys why I really like it.
So fat. Brendan, you're not fat. It's the shirt.
Look at Nate. His True Classic is tight around the chest and shoulders and arms, and then it tapers off towards the bottom.
Nate also has six-pack abs.
Point is, the shirt doesn't highlight your best attribute.
What's in this section?
You're a really good dad.
So this ad's really funny. It's really great. If you're thinking about the style of ad, it's because of this that you're not accomplishing something. That's essentially the angle or the hook that the ad's going for. Again, if we go back to the ad, when I clicked on it, it took you to the sale page. So it's going to the sales page where they're having a promotion. It looks like almost every shirt's by 20 to 30% off. The brand is called True Classic. I haven't purchased any of their products, or maybe I have, I don't remember. Actually, I think I have. Their shirts are actually pretty good. Now that I remember correctly, I have purchased their shirts, just an FYI. Let's go back to the ad and explain to you a few things about why I like the ad. First of all, it has a really good call out. If you go to the beginning of the ad again, it follows this format that you can see here, obviously right now, grayed out. It follows that format that I really like, which is the top has call out that you want to have the user feel or resonate with. What is the thing that's going to make them say, yep, this is an ad that I want to click on? And for them, it says,
You're not fat. It's a shirt.
Dad bods deserve a better tee. So that's essentially what it's saying. So here you can see the better angle. Dad bods deserve a better tee. Again, this is a big call out for dads that are they're probably targeting dads saying, yep, okay, this is not me. And again, the really great thing about this ad, they make it in a very casual setting, but it's scripted really well. Let's play the ad again. It just starts off with a funny slap in the face. And they're saying, this is why True Classic is the tee that you should be buying. And what they do a really great job of in this video is make it funny, plus also they entertain. But again, they have USPs about why this product. It's tied around the chest, tied around the shoulders, and it's also tied around the arms. And then it tapers off towards the bottom, which is probably the t-shirt that they make. This is why you should buy this t-shirt. Now this is adding humor to keep you entertained. Remember, if it was just all about USPs, the user wouldn't be entertained. Adding this type of humor into your ads is great, and we've seen this work well. So now going back, they're saying it's not your fault. It's the reason why is because you're wearing an old shirt. And then really in this video, if you think about it, they cap it off with a funny hook, which is, but you're really good at something else, which is being a great dad. And then they show a carriage going into the streets. They ended up with a funny hook. That's an ad that I saw this week. I really love it. I really think it's funny, and they did a great job. So shout out to True Classic for scripting this really well. And guys, again, we're hiring here at Boy Media. Please feel free to reach out to Kevin at Boy Media. I hope you guys enjoyed that video about why I like this ad this week.